This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Lamborghini Gallardo with cardboard using an easy method. First, gather your essential materials. You will need several large sheets of sturdy cardboard, a sharp utility knife, and a reliable strong adhesive like hot glue or wood glue. Also, print a 1/10 scale template of the Lamborghini Gallardo. Don't forget a ruler, a pencil, and a cutting mat to protect your work surface and ensure precise cuts. These are your foundational tools for this exciting project. Now, let's move on to cutting and shaping your cardboard pieces. Begin by carefully tracing all the template pieces onto your large cardboard sheets using your pencil. Take your time to ensure accuracy. Next, use your sharp utility knife to cut out each individual cardboard piece. Aim for clean, precise edges. For parts that require curves, gently score the cardboard along the designated lines and carefully fold it to achieve the desired three-dimensional shape. This step is crucial for the car's realistic appearance. With all your pieces cut, it's time for assembly. Begin by constructing the main chassis and the floor pan sections of your Lamborghini Gallardo. Use your strong adhesive to firmly join these foundational parts. Next, carefully attach the side panels, followed by the front and rear bumper sections. Ensure everything aligns correctly. To enhance the model's durability and stability, reinforce all the joints and seams with additional strips of cardboard and a generous amount of glue. This creates a robust structure for your cardboard supercar. Finally, let's add the intricate details and finishing touches to bring your Lamborghini Gallardo to life. Attach smaller components such as the headlights, taillights, and wheel arches, paying close attention to their placement. Once the structure is complete, you can use paint or markers to color your cardboard model, replicating the iconic Gallardo look. For an extra touch of professionalism and durability, consider applying a clear protective coat. This will give your handmade supercar a polished finish and help it last longer. Enjoy your creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.